Hello viewers, I welcome you all from HLT of Tech channel, and today we are going to talk about how to create a team site in SharePoint Server Subscription Edition 2022. In SharePoint Server Subscription Edition 2022, if we go into the central admin and we go into the application management, here we can create a new site collection. So you can change or specify the web application you want, and for example I want to create it in this web application. I will name it as team site. You can name it as per your convenience, as per your naming convention, but I'm naming it for understanding purpose, and I will also write the URL as team site. Here I will select the team site template, and this will be the modern team site template, and we will also compare it with the team site classic experience as well. And here we will specify the primary admin, and here we will specify the secondary admin, and we will click on OK. Here you can see that a new site has been created. I will just copy it and I will click OK. In my new tab I'm going to paste it and open it as my primary admin that I specified. This is the default template that is available in out of the box solution SharePoint 2022 Server Subscription Edition. So this is the template that is known as modern team site template. This is the left navigation bar. It's very easy that you can even move up. You can add one new link here. You can also add the links by just clicking on the plus item. You can specify the URL and display name. So this is known as left navigation bar. Similarly, you can go into the site information, and here you can upload the site logo. You can change the site name as well. You can edit this page. In that page you can add different type of web parts, that is text, image, file viewer, embed, highlighted content list. You can specify the divider. You can specify the document library, events, hero, image gallery, news, and similarly many other web parts as well. And after that you can even publish that. And this was about the about the creating of modern team sites in SharePoint Server Subscription Edition 2022.